So these northern people, sometimes they overdo things. See, what that you guys are doing is too much. Wait, oh, if you guys are observing your fasting like annual fasting, it should not be a national issue that will affect both Muslim and non-Muslim. Okay, in the school, this school is a secular school that has to do with both Christian and Muslim, and even non-Muslim and non-Christian. So why is it that you are restricting these children? You are restricting your students to wear what?
I have my school ID. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. I am fully covered. My trousers reach ground.
And tell me, this
there is nothing
clothes
wrong
these children wear, is it bad? Is it not presentable? Sometimes you people are overdoing things, northern people. At least fasting should be a personal thing, not a global honor.
Students have to fight with him at the gate because it's been extreme. See, people are standing outside, people waited transport to come to school, and you are sending them back for very useless things. Tell me why you tell me that this lady, that the shirt of her hand, that the hand of her shirt is short, so she cannot enter school. That the hand of her clothes is short. What rubbish is this? Her breast is not showing, her clothes is to the ground, and you are saying her hand is short. Look at students outside, they are not like Kadpoly. I beg, I did not pay school fees for this rubbish. I did not pay school fees for this rubbish. I am fully covered. There's no reason why I will come to school and you tell me that I cannot enter because that the hand of my clothes is there. Can you see my breast?
You can't. What is wrong with this dress?
Is there anything appropriate?
There's nothing wrong with this
dress. Look at what
dress.
she's wearing, that she will not enter, that the hand of her clothes is short. People are coming to school that she should go and clean, the cortex of her nails. I'm sorry, I'm not in primary school.
Okay, do you want them to start wearing hijabi? The answer is no.
In primary school,
they are not Muslim.
I don't know if Catholics are aware that this is what their security is doing, but they should call them to order. I will not waste transport and come to school. Inside this heat, I should wear what? I should wear cardigan and be coming to school inside it because of what? They will say that they are fasting. What is showing? What is showing? I don't know if Kadpoly knows that this is what their security is doing, but this is enough is enough. This has been going on for like a week and 2 weeks now. We don't like it. We don't like it. See this lady, see the gown she's wearing. Look at her clothes, look at her gown. That the hand is short. That this hand is short. Look at the hand of her clothes. That it is short. That it is short. It is short. That it is short. That they cannot enter because the hand of their shirt. It should me when even wear long sleeves. Me say I cannot enter. Say because it is short. I beg. Not make us protest for this school. See the gown she's wearing, boo gown, that she cannot enter, that the hand is short. See, with all due respect, but I want to assume that the management of Kadpoly does not know that this is what their committee or whatever is doing. We want to assume that they don't know, but please you put to call them to order. They are being extreme. We are not in secondary school. There is heat. People are wearing polo. They are wearing free dresses so that this breeze go touch them. If we they smell now, we go tell we they smell, and then they will come to school. You say they should not enter. They should go and clean. She didn't fix nails, so it is not fixed. It is just cortex. She should go and clean cortex. They should remove earring. They should remove necklace. As how? As how? Are we in secondary school? Are we in secondary school? Me, I go drag now. I go drag. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Like this now they go out. So I've already called my lecturer and I told him this is what is happening at the gate. At the house. I'm coming from the same school. I've already gone to my campus. Security on my campus, they even know me well because I'm very respectful. I enter gate, I go greet every one of them before I pass. I'm coming from the same campus, only for me to get here now. Mind you, security cleared me. The woman at the gate already cleared me. I was already going before this man in particular called me back. It is that one man in particular that is causing trouble for everybody. This is not fair. Please, you should call them to order. They have been extreme. We have read what your code of conduct, your decency, whatever said, and this is not it.
Please share this video.